Yeah.
Hey guys, what's up? Today another topic is difference between HPLC and GC. HPLC versus GC and what is HPLC and GC. So guys, let's start. Difference between HPLC and GC is that HPLC uses liquid mobile phase whereas GC uses gaseous mobile phase. HPLC and GC are both methods of separation of compounds from a mixture, while HPLC refers to high performance liquid chromatography. GC is simply gas chromatography. Thus, HPLC applies to constituents that are fluids. What GC is useful when the compounds or gases or the compounds that undergo vaporization during the separation process. However, both have the same underlying principle of heavy molecules flowing slower than lighter ones. Contents. I describe it in 5 points. First of all, first is overview and key difference. Second is what is HPLC. Third is what is GC. Fourth is side-by-side comparison HPLC versus GC in tabular form. Fifth is summary. What is HPLC? HPLC is high performance liquid chromatography. It is a type of column chromatography. This technique includes pumping the sample with solvent. The sample to be separated into a column at high pressure. The column contains the stationary phase not moving, which is a solid adsorbent. The components in the sample should interact with the stationary phase. Figure 1. Component of an HPLC apparatus. However, these interactions are different from each other for different components in the sample. Hence, it causes different flow rates for each component through the column, and thus it leads to the separation of these components. Stronger the interaction between component and stationary phase, slower the elution through the column. Therefore, the particles with the stronger interaction separate from the particles that show weaker interaction. What is GC? GC is gas chromatography, also known as gas liquid chromatography, GLC. Also, it is a column chromatography technique. This technique is useful to separate components in mixture that easily vaporize without decomposition. The two major uses of this technique are to determine the purity of a sample and to separate the components in a mixture. In some cases, it also helps to identify the components in this method. The moving phase is the carrier gas, while the stationary phase is a liquid or a polymer material on an inert solid support. Usually, the carrier gas is an inert gas such as helium or nitrogen. The stationary phase resides inside a glass column. Figure 2 a GC apparatus. In brief, the operation of this technique is as follows. The components in the sample interact with the liquid stationary phase that results in different elution rates for different components because the interaction between components in the sample and the stationary phase are different from each other. The time that is taken by a component to elute through the column is called the retention time. The analytical usefulness of the GC technique is that we can compare the retention time for each component. What is the difference between HPLC and GC? HPLC is high performance liquid chromatography, whereas JC is gas chromatography. The key difference between HPLC and GC is that the HPLC uses a solid stationary phase and liquid mobile phase, whereas the GC uses a liquid stationary phase and gaseous mobile phase. Furthermore, one other difference between HPLC and GC is that HPLC and most other chromatographic techniques do not require temperature control strategies, whereas the GC needs its column to be located inside an oven to keep the gases mobile phase as it is. Apart from that, we can point out a difference between HPLC and GC based on their application. HPLC is a useful technique for fluids separation, whereas GC is useful in separating the component in gaseous mixture. Summary: HPLC versus GC. Both HPLC and GC are chromatographic techniques that are useful in separating different components in a mixture. The key difference between HPLC and GC is that the HPLC uses a solid stationary phase and liquid mobile phase, whereas the GC uses a liquid stationary phase and gaseous mobile phase. Thanks for watching.